This morning is a relatively quick video regarding a circuit board that I had recently made by JLC PCB. Basically, it is a redone version of this one, which is the latching relay. It's basically all exactly the same. It's just in a much smaller package. And also I had a circuit board made so that I could connect a very high amperage relay and control it as a secondary relay. So when the first relay latches, it turns on the second one. And so we just hook that up to power. This is these are both 24 volt relays. We have a LED, the green LED with the dropping resistor. You could actually, if you wanted, you could put a light bulb on here. You could either do it with a dropping resistor, or you could do it with a 24 volt bulb if you had one. So just so you can tell when the relay activates. We'll hook it up. So when I turn this relay on, it will latch and stay on, and it will at the same time turn this one on. No, well, it will if I turn on my power. All right. And then when we turn it off, so this is just a simple circuit board for the secondary relay, and it actually supports two different styles. It supports this style, and it supports a kind of a T-shaped one, but they both have exactly the same footprint. This one can handle 8 amps with the traces on the circuit board, or if you connect to the top, it'll handle whatever it can. Let's see, 20 amps at 28 volts DC and 30 amps at 250 volts AC. And this is the circuit board for the latching relay. Much more compact, a little more robust, and bigger connections. I should have made the switch connections a bit bigger, but since they don't switch much current, I guess it really doesn't matter. So there it is.